Hi everybody, Miss DVD here, and today I got a short little clip to show you. We want to glue this small piece of paper here onto this big piece, and we want to get it centered. And I'm also going to show you a gluing technique so we don't waste a lot of glue, and it makes the gluing a lot better. To do this, we have to do a little math. And to do a little math, it's a fly there. To do a little math, we need a ruler. Now, the ruler here, it is in centimeters and it is in inches. I like to measure in centimeters. It's easier for me to do the math. So we're going to do a measurement of the small piece of paper first. The width of this paper right here is 21.5 centimeters. So I'm going to say W for width. 21.5 is 0.5. This is the small piece of paper. And then how tall is it? The height. We're going to measure here, set it down there. We're going to measure right down here. And it says it's 28 centimeters. Okay, so there's my math on the first one. Now we got to measure the bigger paper. The width right here, as you can see, is the full length of the ruler, which is 30 centimeters. And this is the large piece of paper. And the height. Now, the height, if you notice here, is a little bit longer than the ruler I have. So I'll just go ahead, place my ruler right on this edge, and put my little marker down there. That's 30. So, and from here to there, here we go. That's 15. So we have to add the 30 and the 15. 30 and 15 is 45 centimeters. Okay, so we got the width of the small piece and the width of the large piece, the height of the large piece and the small piece, and we do have to do some subtraction next. Now, what we get, once the math is done, is 8.5 centimeters. And here's our answers. I'll kind of bring this up close so you can have a look at my math. Okay. So, now we know how much we have to have on each side. I'm not going to use my marker. I want to use a pencil so it leaves just a really light mark on here. Okay. So, I'll get my ruler again. Now, on the sides, we need 4.25 centimeters. So I go over here and put this on the edge and mark it. And I'm going to mark it in a few areas. And it's done real light. And I'm going to do the same to this side. Down a little bit, make the mark. Bring it down a little bit, make the mark. That way I can get it so it's not crooked this way or that way. It's straight up and down. Down here, I needed 8.5 centimeters. So I'll measure 8.5. And make the mark. And up here, I'll go 8.5 and make the mark. Okay. It's hard to see there, but when I go to glue it on, you'll see that it's nice and straight and it's centered. The next thing I want to show you is the gluing technique. Here's my paper. Now I'm going to use this kind of glue here today. I know K through 2nd grade does not. They use stick glue. But 3rd grade through 5th grade. Now I'm going to open it up because it was closed by turning it. And I'm going to do bunny hops. I'm going to start at the corner, put a little glue, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. Go to this corner, bunny hop, right around the edge. This is all the glue that this is going to need. It's just little bunny hops around the edge. Not a big line. Doesn't even need any in the middle. Okay? Okay, I'm back now. I've done my bunny hops on my paper. Now it's time to put it on the big piece of paper. So I'll clip it here. Bring it here. Bring it around. Now I'm looking at my marks. I rub my hands on it. Now, it seems to be glued on pretty darn good with those little bunny hops. I see one corner here, it's just a little bit, it's rolling up. So I'm gonna put a little dab. A little dab will do ya. That's the saying. A little dab will do ya. Just a little dab. Now, do you see any glue coming out? No. No glue coming out. So, that looks nice and centered. I've done my math. And I put it up and it's all centered. So, that is the correct way to center a piece of paper, like you're drawing, onto a bigger piece of paper. So we can go ahead and hang it up to show it. So have a good day. Let's get creative.